Hey babe, so today I'm doing this super cute Valentine's Day nail look using a lot of Madam Glam products, which are cruelty free, which I love. So if you want to see how I got these super cute ombre pink and clear nails, then keep watching. So these are some of the products that we'll be using today. Here I have some dual forms that I'll use with the Polygel. And here are some clear tips that I use for the clear gel to get that super transparent nail effect. They look the same in the package, but you can see the difference here. So I've already separated them out and got the ones that work for her nail shape. So I'm gonna just put the clear tips on her index finger and pointer finger on both hands. Now once I have the tips on, I like to shape them. So I just trim the sides because we're going for more of a coffin shape, and then after I trim those sides, I'll go in and file everything and get the exact shape that I want. So once everything is filed, this is what the tips look like. Now I'm going in with some clear builder gel, and I just use a medium size dollop and put it on the cuticle and spread it out from there. You want to create an apex, so I put most of the gel right where the cuticle and the tip meet, and then I allow it to spread out from there, making sure to flip the nail over after I'm done sculpting, just to allow for the apex to really set in before I cure the nail. And it'll give you a really beautiful rounded kind of feminine nail. It's really pretty, and it doesn't break as fast. So I'm letting those clear nails cure for like 30 seconds. And this is what they look like when they're done before we put all of the jewels and stuff on them, which is still cute. Now I'm going in with a nail dehydrator. I did this on the other nails, but I forgot to film it. Now my favorite, the Madam Glam Soak Off Gel. I'm just going in with a coat of that, and then I'm going to cure it. After you cure this gel, you do have to go in with like a cotton swab with some alcohol to get that inhibition, like that little oily layer off the top. Now I'm going in with this Polygel from Madam Glam in the color Japanese Camelia. I love this because honestly you can wear it with no polish. So I'm getting a bit of the Polygel and putting it inside of the dual form, and I'm dipping my brush into some alcohol, and I'm just using that brush to spread it out really thin along the sides and a bit thicker in the middle to create that apex within the dual form. Now, some of these products were sent to me by Madam Glam, and some of them I bought with my own money. I've been using Madam Glam for a really long time now because I've been doing my nails at home for about the past 6 months or so. But yeah, so these are my honest opinions. I'm obsessed with this company. I really like their products, and I feel good about using them. So once everything is blended out within the nail and you got the length that you're going for, you're going to place the dual form onto the nail bed. And you want to get it as close as you can to the cuticle because then it'll be polished when you take it off after you cure it. Now here is one of the nails after I take the dual form off by wiggling it a bit. And after I do all of those, I'm just going to go in and shape those a bit, polish them up if I need to. And when you're using dual forms, you sometimes get a bit of buildup under the nail, so I'll just go in with a small file and clean that up a bit as well. Now once all of the nails are on and clean, I'm going in with this gel called Delicacy, and I love it because it's like the perfect peachy nude. It's like the peachy nude that you would put on as like a lip gloss, but in a nail color. I love it. It's perfect on any skin tone. I wear it right now. I'm doing my best friend's nails, and she loved it as well. I would definitely suggest getting this color. I don't know, it's my staple, and I love this nail color. So I'll put the link to it down below. And I just went in with about 2 coats on all of the Polygel nails. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the ombre design. And to do this, I just put a bit of the nail polish, this is the same Delicacy color, onto a little plate or a platter, and I'm going in with a makeup sponge to get this ombre effect. I'm doing several layers, so I go in with the sponge and do a layer, then I clean up the cuticle with a bit of alcohol, and then I cure it for 10 seconds, and then I do another thin layer. So I did this until I was satisfied, and each time I did a smaller and smaller layer, and at the end I was only doing layers at the very base of the nail, so it was thicker polish there, and that's what gave me that really beautiful gradient ombre effect. And to finish that off, I cured it for about 30 seconds. I just want to make sure everything was good. And this is what it looks like up close. And again, we have that one nail that's all clear, and we're going to put jewels on it later. So to make the jewels stick, I'm going in with a coat of the top gel. Not too thick. You want it to just be thick enough for it to make everything stick. And I'm placing on some crystals that are shaped like butterflies. These are really, really cute and dainty, and we want to make it look really pretty and not too much, but give you a little bit of sparkle. So we cure that for about 10 seconds. And then after that, I go in and put a coat of top gel on all of the nails, including the one I put the jewels on, just to set everything in place. Now with some alcohol and a cotton pad, I'm wiping off that inhibition layer on top. And these are the finished, super shiny and pretty crystal pink and clear nails, perfect for Valentine's Day. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. All of the links to the products will be down below in the description bar. Check out Madam Glam for sure, and make sure to subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.